So we're up here on deck 16 in the Haven. We're going to try to show you some of the public spaces. You got your own Haven restaurant over here for breakfast. They've got a really nice size restaurant up here, just dedicated to the Haven. So there's that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's a very generous space up here. Lounge area. I'm quite sure on this cruise this was very crowded all the time. Here's your bar. Got a nice desk area over here for sitting if you got, this would be sort of a concierge area. There's towel and stuff there for hooking up computers. Going outside, this is private area for your pool and hot tub and outdoor deck space. We'll just give you a quick walk around. There are cabanas. If I have to guess, you probably have to rent the cabanas. I'm not sure. You got an infinity pool, which looks out the back. How's that for a view? Up here on deck 16. Circle around. You have a mirror image on this side. What's nice is this is also an extension of the restaurant because the restaurant is on that side right there. And so you can eat outside here if you like. Of course, it's been a little bit cool on this cruise, so I don't think there's any eating out there. There are public restrooms here in between. We're sort of scooching in between both men's and women's and accessible. So there is your Haven public areas. Let us know what you think.